A day before the country commemorates 30 years since it toppled the dictator, the presidential and vice presidential bets of the ruling Liberal Party visit the detention center where Senators Ninoy Aquino and Jose Jocno were once detained for over a month. Mar Rojas and Leni Robredo, LP stalwarts vying for the top posts in the land, visit the Aquino-Jocno Memorial in Laor, Nueva Ecija, ahead of a series of sorties in the vote-rich province. They are toured by Selly, who cooked meals for the detained senators and the soldiers stationed here.
Well, whether Senator Marcos shrugs it off or not, ang mahalaga dito ay yung ating sambayanan ay hindi basta-bastang nakakalimutan ito. No? Libo-libo ang mga nawala na lang, libo-libo ang mga namatay.
There seems to be a notion among the youth, among even older people na parang the martial law years were the best years in the country. Who's to blame po for that notion?
We ourselves. Diba? May kasabihan tayong hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan, hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. Kung kakalimutan natin ang lahat ng mga leksyon ng ating mga karanasan, ng ating mga nakalipas, ay mawawala tayo, malilito tayo, maloloko tayo.
It is 2016. Much has changed and yet many remain the same. The Marcoses, forced to leave the country after the 1986 revolution, are back in power. The dictator's namesake, Senator Ferdinand Marcos Jr., is one of Robredo's rivals for the vice presidency. Online and offline, there's a fierce debate over the legacy of the Marcoses and that of the EDSA revolution. A growing group, Senator Marcos included, say the revolution disrupted plans the late dictator had in place.
Pero madali lang kasi yung sabihin, pero tingnan natin yung datos. Tingnan natin yung datos, nasaan tayo nung panahon ng martial law at nasaan tayo ngayon. Kung titingnan natin, mula nung naging dictatorial na yung governance natin, talagang pabagsak yung lahat na indicators.
Noon hanggang ngayon, ang simbolo natin ay laban!
For Rojas, Robredo, and the ruling Liberal Party, the 2016 elections are not just about clinching the presidency and the vice presidency. It's about reminding a nation about the ups, the downs, and the continuing struggles of a young democracy. A reminder that if we were still under martial law, this report wouldn't make it online. Beko Pin Rappler, Nueva Ecija.